In this video, I'll show you how to open an HSBC bank account on the UK. Firstly, visit the HSBC UK website. Browse the range of current accounts and select the best one for your needs. Scroll down and click on the Apply for a sole account button. Read the eligibility criteria carefully, then review the required documents such as photo ID, proof of address, etc. Enter your full name, address, and contact details, then provide information about your job and income. Double-check all details, then click Submit. HSBC will review your details and may contact you for more information. Once approved, you'll receive your account details and a debit card. You must be 18 years plus, ensure your personal details are correct, and you may need to visit a branch if additional verification is required. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.